How to add alternative phone number on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here all you need to do just click these 3 points and click edit profile. Scroll all the way down, click contacts, and here's it. Now just type any phone number here and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.